Hello everyone, I'm so glad you found my channel. Today we will be unboxing Pro-One Skincare. Pro-One Skincare is a unique brand which enables you to get personalized, clinically effective skincare formulated for you based on your skin, life and environment. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing now. The product came in this hexagonal box and it says it's the future of skincare, clean and non-toxic. The website. This box is 100% recyclable material. Now let's open this up. Skincare as unique as you, because it is uniquely formulated based on your gender, age, your environment and your skin. First you need to go sign up on the website and you have to take a skincare quiz, and based on that your unique formulation is sent out to you. Comes from couple of cards. Let's see. So it talks about the story of Pro-One. It says, after years of trying to find the skincare that worked consistently, we were fed up and decided to start our own company. So the founders created the world's largest skincare database, the Skin Genome Project, which can access millions of dermatological reviews, products and ingredients. And then you tell us you tell us about your skin, and our database uses that info to find exactly the right stuff for your skincare. So this is a message from the founders Ming and Amy. And then comes your personalized cleanser. Now this is a cleanser, toner and exfoliant all in one. It also gives the personalized direction for using this product. Next is the day moisturizer. This has SPF as well. Again, comes with active ingredient list and also personalized directions. This is the personalized night cream. It has 2 serums and night cream all in one. You don't have to use a separate eye cream when you're using this night cream. Okay, now let's look at the products themselves. Now, this is the display. This is the personalized cleaner. Gently massage 1 to 2 pumps personalized cleanser over damp face and neck. Rinse gently and thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Now this is the day cream. This is personalized day moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 40 sunscreen. This is 30 ml bottle. And this is the personalized night cream. Again, massage a dime-sized amount of night cream onto cleansed face and neck in the evening. Again, you don't need a separate eye cream if you're using this night cream. So your beauty routine is really simplified with these products. This is a bonus that they send every month, every time they ship it to you. It's a USDA organic peppermint lip balm. This is a simple lip balm. It's a nice touch. Here you go, folks. This was the unboxing of the Provence Skincare Provence Cleanser and Moisturizer set. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.